Hey, what is up, guys? So in this video I'm going to be reviewing this circle keyboard and mouse combo. Now let me explain to you what is this. When you buy the circle keyboard and mouse combo, you get this good wireless keyboard, and you get this wireless mouse, which is fairly good, and you get this single antenna. Whereas if you buy a single mouse and you buy a single wireless keyboard, you may have to get two antennas. So this is an advantage. You get just one antenna, and it's really good. Now let's jump right into it. As you can see on the keyboard, it has a very good functionality, and it has these. Let me explain to you that all the keys are removable like this, so that as you can see, I've been using this keyboard for about 2 to 3 months now, and a little dust has already been collecting in between these keys. So you can remove all of these keys and you can clean them in between. Now let me show you. This keyboard also has a function button. So as you can see, these are all the functions on top. You can set shortcuts to your email. You can mute your volume up, volume down, your media buttons, and also your various sleep mode, etc, etc. It also has this useful 9 number keys, and that's all. And as you can see, this keyboard is very clicky and it's very comfortable. However, I would say that it's not that comfortable, and when you're typing, your fingers tend to go on the key next to it. Like suppose if I want to play games, I use a WASD key, my finger tends to go on the caps lock button. So keep that in mind. Now jumping right into the mouse, we can see that this is a normal mouse, fairly normal mouse. It has your three buttons. There's left click, right click. It has a middle mouse button, and you control the wheel. The wheel is I can say it's okay quality. It's not fairly good. As you can see here, you have a place to store this antenna as well. It fits right there. So when you want to travel, you can carry this along. Now let me jump right into this. As you can see that this mouse takes a AA battery, whereas the keyboard that I'm going to show you, it takes AAA batteries. So very fishy. The keyboard, which is so big, takes a AAA battery, and the mouse, which is so small, takes AA batteries. Let me show you that the keyboard has an on-off button. So if you want to save on battery, you can just switch it to the off button. But if you do not switch it off, it automatically switches off when you switch off your computer. And it has an on-off button on the mouse as well. Now let me show you an interesting fact. Here it is. I've bought this Google GP power bank, also known as Godrej power bank, and I've had it for quite a while now, almost a year, and I can see that it's working really good. I've also made a video on it on my YouTube channel. Go check it out in the description below. And as you can see, when I bought this power bank, I got two AA batteries like this, and it's still working like a champ till today. Now as you can see, for the keyboard, it had to use AAA batteries, so I went out and I just bought two of these batteries. The other one is somewhere else, and here I have the other one. So as you can see, this power bank is really good. Like I'm going to show you, it has dual functionality. It can charge both at the same time. It can charge AAA battery at the same time, as well as your AA batteries at the same time. Now here, as a demo, I'm going to show you that when I plug it in into the wall, you can see that there it is charging up both the batteries at the same time. So AA and AAA batteries. Advantage. I've plugged in my battery right now into my mouse, and I'm going to plug in the battery to the keyboard as well. And this thing goes straight into your computer directly. And once you switch on this button, you can see that you get this battery light over here, and this light starts blinking. When this light blinks, it indicates that it is establishing connection to your PC. And as I switch this on as well, you can see that it switches off. Right now, the plug is not connected to anything, therefore this light just switches off to save battery. As well as it goes for the keyboard, you can see that it switches off automatically. All I can say that is this keyboard is really good to work on. It works well for your computer as well as it works good for your laptop as well. It's really portable, and it's very small in size. One drawback is that I've used this keyboard to play PUBG mobile on PC, and sometimes I've experienced a keyboard lag. That is, when I use this WASD keys to move forward, it sometimes lags. Like when I hold the W key to move forward, it just keeps on going forward, and it stops after 2 seconds, so there's a little bit of keyboard lag in this. But so far this mouse has also been establishing some kind of lag, like it sort of skips around. It is recommended that you use a very good mouse pad with this mouse and not just your flat surface. You can also use it on a desk, but make sure the desk is black in color. As you know, white color doesn't suit, is not a very good place to use your mouse pad. So that's it. And that's all I have for this review. Thank you so much. And I would say that this is a very good buy to attach to your computer or laptop. And I would definitely say you can go for it. It's also budget and it's really good. And the quality of the keys are also really good. So thank you so much for watching and peace out.